Hello, welcome back to my channel. Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning to everyone. Maayong hapon ug maayong gabi ug maayong udto kaniyong tanan diha. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning to everyone. Maayong hapon ug maayong gabi ug maayong udto kaniyong tanan diha. So welcome back sa atong channel mga iring banbanon. So magrampa-rampa kami dito ngayon. So papunta kami ng Gold Souk area. So ito yung mga tao papunta ng Naif. Ayan. So sabay tayo sa kanila mga iring banbanon. Si Cha Biring nasa kong likod nagpahipi kaya nakaharbat siya. Paakit na kami doon. Ayan. So muna siya mga iring banbanon. Hi, so this is all the guys. Say hi to vlog.
Hello.
Ayan, yan ang mga lalaki.
Hello.
Say hi, say hi. Say hi to in your country.
Bangladesh,
Bangladesh. Say hi, someone.
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. This is Bangladesh, my friend, and this is our new friends. I met them. So where are you going, my friend?
My friend.
Where are you going? Going to
8 years.
Okay.
1 year.
So iftar.
Right.
Iftar. Okay. So thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
What is name?
Yeah. Okay. Subscribe my channel. So this is my friend from. So do you want to subscribe my channel, Iring Banbanon now? So na kami ni Cha Biring sa kuan sa Skywalk. Paadto nami og Naif mga Iring Banbanon. So mga laagan kaayo. Asa di kayo?
Shopping sa ining day o gold.
Na.
Ana nga. Mana nga ato mi maatak ni karon kay sale daw sa Gold Souk.
For sale di ay? Okay.
Ana daw day Aksena.
Aksena, maora gid din Aksena. So mo siya mga Iring Banbanon dot nakaingkuan diri no. Hello, welcome to Dubai. So mga Iring Banbanon, nandito tayo sa unsa ning area, ma'am? Day, anong lugar dito, Day? Isang Filipina nandito, vlog, Day, pag So nag-vlog kami, Day.
Oo, diri Africa.
Bisaya ka? Asa man inyo?
Jensan.
So Bisaya in town siya, Day. Naa siya diri, Day, naglingkod-lingkod, nagpaabot ra siya og dada sa mga cakes. So nandito siya. Unsa man ni siya, Day?
African shop.
African shop. So if you want to come here in African shop, just located in Naif. So mga Iring Banbanon, so ay mo kalimot sa akong pag-subscribe sa akong YouTube channel mga Iring Banbanon. So mao ni siya. So this is the food area in cafeteria. So mga Iring, wa gimilingaw, nag-vlog-vlog dito sa Naif. This is Naif area. So daghan kay mga kurikong diri. What's that? Salon, so you're the owner?
Yeah.
So this is the owner, come in my vlog. So hi, see someone.
Yes.
So hi someone to your.
hi, salon.
You speak Arabic?
Arabic?
Arabic, yeah.
Arabic no.
No? Pala Portuguese.
No.
Portuguese. No?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Okay, go Pakistan. Say hi to Pakistan to your family.
Family good.
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
Yeah.
So this is the guy.
This one Pathan.
Okay. So mga Iring Banbanon na ata sa African product.
Paniti, tapos
So nasa this is Naif, right?
Ugasan sa.
So can you invite them from your African people here in Dubai? So you can speak African.
Yeah, hi, my people. This is African shop. We sell African foodstuffs from Nigeria, from Uganda, from Kenya, so and from Ghana. So if you need
Wow,
any
I love
item,
Ghana.
yeah, from Ghana, Uganda, Nigeria, this is the stuff for you.
Yeah, anything you want, any products from the Nigerian, no?
Yes.
Nigeria, you can come here. Shop number, what's the shop, madam? This is Naif, right?
Yes.
So you can buy.
This is opposite Gosuk metro station. Dera.
Yeah, Dera, right?
Yes.
So I'm so amazed this one. So what is this, madam?
Yam.
It's really big.
Yeah,
It's
we call
ginger.
it
Yum.
Ano yung date kabuting kahoy?
Yeah, so you can come here at Dira, so opposite side from the metro station from going to Naif. So you can across from they have like a skywalk, right? So come over here and you can select what do you want from African product. It's really good because it's natural. I used to eat your rice.
Oh.
I love your rice. So come here and visit.
Also order online, just in case you don't want to stress yourself. You can order online at www.ourafricanshop.com.
Okay, so try and order now. Okay, so hili mga iring banbano unsay pangan ani day, ano, what is the name of this seed? Bitter cola. It's a really good, this is healthy and this is organic, right?
Yes.
So this is organic and it is a lot of benefits ni daghan matabang sa inyong kuan, mapataas kinabuhi mga iring banbano, tambas diabetic mga iring banbano. Na ang gwafa ni kaon na fait kaayo, it's really bitter na.
Yeah.
Let's stay kuan day carotene acetyl.
Tambal diabetic ba yun? Sorry, I'm talking with the wrong.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
have
it's okay.
cassava fufu.
Yeah. So this is what we call this ola ola.
Yeah, fun.
This is what I like. The rice from Africa.
Yeah,
Yeah, I like this one. This is the fresh one. The fresh one. This is the organic one, and this is the powder. So this is the rice. It's really good, healthy.
Very
So,
affordable price.
Price. So ari mo diri, shop number near from metro station.
Yeah, we also located inside Waterfront.
So what is this, madam?
Smoked catfish.
Smoked catfish, no? Smoke. This is really good, healthy.
Catfish ni?
Yes.
Ito hugyo ba an?
So Africa. So this one, what is this, madam? Tea.
Bubu, they call it pumpkin leaf.
Pumpkin leaves with it's like pumpkin leaves like tea, no?
Yes,
It's really good. It's organic products, mga iring banban. Oh, lami man ni siya dahil. Nakatilaw jud ko dahil sa akong dito pa ko business binagpuyo, nagluto siya African rice o kanang beef nga na. Oh, lami kaayo. So muna siya ari mo diri, come and visit here African shops.
Africa, it's a very, very chauvinist.
It's
Scotch bonnet. That's the
Scotch.
That's the
Bonnet.
botanical
so
name.
it is really hot, no?
Yeah.
It's really
Extra
hot,
hot.
shelly.
Oh my god, this is what I love. So how much that one?
This
One
one
time.
10 dirham 50 fils.
That's only 10 dirhams. So if you want extra hot, come and visit the shop, African shop. It's really
fresh
hot.
pepper.
This is really fresh from the garden. No, this is organic fresh from the garden. So buy here, buy now, and come now. So what kind of bread? That one, my friend.
What bread is this? What bread?
Pakistan bread.
1 dirham?
So this one very good, my friend, and come visit here in. Yeah, this is really fresh, baked from the oven. So and it's really good. So this is. Yeah. So come now. Tilaw is man.
Huh?
What lagi? Ako ba?
Yes.
So tilawan ni Jo Josefa.
Same old.
So tilawan na nato, ma'am.
From emulsion day.
Tilawan nato ang beef.
No, it's a mom.
Cheese ni cheese. Cheese.
This and this.
Subscribe my channel. My YouTube channel.
It's a channel.
Yeah.
Okay,
Say hi to Pakistan.
I'm Pakistan. Hey,
Yeah. Really good.
Bro. Hala, bakit parang init eh? Bakit pwede ma?
Open naman. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Punos ka sakit o punos ka lipay, ichika mo, ilaglag natin. Shalala, bye-bye. God bless to everyone. Wow.